Welcome to 2 McLaren Street, Torrens Park. This is a rare, substantial land holding of 1,322 square metres of opportunity in this prime location. Just steps away from arguably Adelaide's most prestigious college, Scotch. This meticulously renovated home offers instant comfort and style. Whether you're ready to move in or explore lucrative renovation possibilities, the choice is absolutely yours. With approved plans and potential for subdivision, the options are endless. Modernised for today's lifestyle, featuring a gourmet kitchen, open plan living areas and picturesque grounds. Perfect for families desiring top-tier education options and convenience to Mitcham's vibrant amenities. Embrace the boundless potential of this expansive land holding and make your dream home a reality. We so look forward to meeting you at one of our open homes. Thank you for your time today. I'm Angela Steniford from Williams Luxury.